Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to find accounts delegated to you on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Whether you're managing accounts or checking access permissions, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to a new page filled with various options for customizing and managing your account. From here, navigate to Security and Account Access. Click on it to open a section dedicated to account security and permissions. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Delegate. Click on it. Now, look for the tab that says Accounts Delegated to you. This is where you'll find the list of accounts that have granted you access. If there are any pending invitations for delegation, they will also appear here under Pending Invites. And that's it. You've successfully located the accounts that have been delegated to you on X. This feature is particularly useful for collaboration or managing multiple accounts without sharing passwords. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay connected for more tips and tutorials.